big idea. What is the Splinter convention? All right, this is a convention that works hand in hand with Jacobi 2.0. All right, so there are two major suit conventions. Although splinter bids, we are going to see occasionally you can make a splinter bid for a minor, but think of splinter bids as a major suit convention for the most part. The minor suit splinter bid is an exception. And we're going to meld together Jacobi 2.0 and splinter bids to show all of responders 4-card major suit raises and all of openers 4-card major suit raises along with a singleton or a void. Now, when I say short suit, it's defined in this lesson as a singleton or a void. Frequency, I will tell you, the frequency is it's going to be a singleton, but on occasion you happen to have a void. And for the most part, frequency is going to be a singleton and occasionally it will be the void. But when I say to you short suits, think singleton and voids together. Okay, so let's talk about hand evaluation before we dive into the actual convention, because in order to know whether you can use splinter bids or not, you've got to accurately analyze your distribution and your high card points. Hand evaluation for when you're raising your partner's major is you count high card points and you count short suit points. Now, our short suit point evaluation is different depending on how many trump we know we have. Okay, so if all you know about is an 8-card fit, then your voids are going to be worth 3 points, your singleton's worth 2 points, and your doubleton is worth 1 point. If you know for sure you have at least 9 trump, then your void is going to be 5 points, your singleton is going to be 3 points, and your doubleton is going to be 1 point. Once you get to a 10-card fit, you get to count both short suit points and long suit points.